Yes, Nicola's back. Yeah, we're back for today. Well, I've just finished school for the afternoon, so it's around about 4:45, 4 to 5. And as you can see, it's still a really gorgeous, glorious day. It's super. So we just stopped at one of the nearest towns. It's called Blandford Forum, down by the river, and just over there, the other side of that bridge, is the local Woodhouse brewery that nearly burnt down not too long ago. So anyway, we're going for a little walkish. There's not much wind around today. As you can see, people are really enjoying the sun. Okay, before I get home, big thanks to Serge. I got a mail today while I was at lunch saying he's found the Python thing for me, the Python dependency. So that was good. I like that. That was great. So I'll do that when I get home and do the full-time switch. Number 2, got quite a few replies about the Brian Lunddyke issue, but keep them coming in and see what you think and see what you say. It's nice to know everybody's opinions, okay, which is quite good. I'll just walk down here so you can see more than anything else. As you can see, where I live, this part of the country is really nice at this time of year. It's really dark in the winter, but hey, this time of year is great. Anyway, today's subject is, how can we cure a toxicity in the Linux, BSD, Unix community as it is at the moment? Because it's getting a bit nasty, a bit naughty. You know, what do we do? This is a really difficult one. I mean, some people know who they are, some people don't. But as I said last night, you're behind your screen, you think you can't be found. And that is just simply not true. I'm still in Blandford, by the way. So how do you think we cure this sort of thing? I mean, what do we do? I haven't got a clue, to be honest with you. It's not just Linux in general, it's Windows, it's Mac, it's every single thing. And something has got to be done about it at the end of the day, hasn't it? Because it is just not on. Although I hope looking at that view over there makes you feel a little bit better. Because it does me, okay? I hope you like in these outdoor quickie vlogs. It's quite easy for me on the way home from whatever school I'm teaching at the time, so I teach at different ones, to just stop off on the way home or the way to. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? How do we stop toxicity? I don't know. I've said that about 4 times, haven't I? I mean, if we could give everybody some sleeping cider, or some Linux cider, that'd cure it all, wouldn't it? Completely cure it all. Fantastic. Same as the scenery here. Anyway guys, finally, my other subject for today is, hello buddy, you've got yourself £850, no, we're going to call it 800. What processor, new processor, do you buy today? Would you be like me, go straight for the Threadripper, as you do, 1950X, or would you try and wait around for the i9s to come down in price? And I know what I go for every time. God, every time. That your experience. Or would you buy 2 of the same processor and get 2 machines? So, your processors of choice, guys. Yeah. Super duper. Outdoors. Sneaky Linux out. See you later. Bye bye.